In this short video, we will see AI showing pre-approved text, not AI-generated text, PII redaction, and also AI providing expert knowledge to users. To avoid perceived risk of an AI giving false or misleading information, we'll see the AI generate an answer and find the best match from a knowledge base of pre-approved answers. So the AI only shows the citizen or user the pre-approved answer. Here is a user portal designed with using UiPath apps, and we're going to ask the AI a question. Which candidate grew up in Delacombe and was elected to Ballarat Council in 2020 out of sheer frustration? Our AI agent will search our candidate records and bring back an answer. The AI has retrieved the exact text from the candidate knowledge base. Here is the knowledge base in Excel format. In reality, it's actually on a database, and we can see that we have Tracy Hargreaves and the various information, importantly, her candidate statement. It's this statement that we can see in the portal. However, we can also see the AI-generated answer, which was not visible to our user or citizen. We will now look at how UiPath AI agents can redact PII information, especially useful when handling freedom of information activities. Here is the example from before, Tracy Hargreaves. Notice that we can see her name, we can see where she lives, her telephone number and date of birth. We will now ask the AI agent to redact the information. The AI agent will go through the text looking for PII information. You can also add to the PII knowledge, so this is very customizable. Here we can see that each PII information element has been replaced with a code. So we have now protected Tracy's information. And optionally, we can also see the conversion table. So this is if we wanted to replace the codes back with the original data. In this third example, we will see how to empower junior users with expert knowledge, which assists in ramping up new users and frees up seasoned knowledge workers for more complex work. In this browser page, you can see that we are finding intent in the question, a quick summary, the answer, some key references, and the reasoning. So, our request: can caravan parks make rules about keeping pets? We're now going to see the AI agent interrogate the Tenancy Act and come back with an answer. First of all, we see the intent in the question. Have we asked the right question? Next, we see a quick summary. In this case, yes, caravan parks can make rules about keeping pets. Then we see the exact text from the Tenancy Act. This makes sure that we're actually seeing the correct area, and also we then see the reference within the Tenancy Act that the answer has been formulated from. And importantly, we also see the reasoning. Why has the AI agent made the determination it has? This is providing your users with deep knowledge, reasoning, and intent. This not only provides them with ramping up with knowledge themselves, but also allows them to do more complex work. So let us do a quick search for the reference provided by the AI within the Residential Tenancies Act. Here we can see the different references and the pages, page 433. So if we jump to the next reference for page 433, we can see the site tenant must observe Part 4A of the park rules. And indeed, that was the correct reference for the AI's answer. Let us take a quick look at the UiPath modules used to design the AI agents you have just seen. First, we have AI Agent Builder. This is where we can create our prompts, select the tools that the AI agent will use to integrate with your back-end systems, and also which knowledge bases to use in order to search for information. And here we have the App Studio, where we can build very quick browser-based applications using drag, drop, and configure. So for example, let's add a new button. We simply go to choose our control, in this case an input button. We drag it over into the canvas as to where we want it, and then we can give the button a name. We can change the label. And then we can actually change the activity. What action is it going to perform? In this example, it's going to go to the home page. Most UiPath modules are agent assisted, low code, providing you really fast access.